Hi, this is Jeff from Rokform, and we wanted to give you all a quick sneak peek at the new wallet that we've been working on for the last year. A lot of you have called in and asked what happened to the wallet. It's not on your website. You've been emailing, and we sold out of that wallet, and we have a brand new wallet, and it's called the FUZION MagSafe wallet with stand. And what's really special about it is we're able to get a wallet that's almost the same thickness and weight, but we also added a stand and a MAGMAX magnet system. So now you're going to get 10 times the holding force that you had before. So we'll zoom in here and get a quick look, and we'll tell you when it's going to be ready. So here's our close-up of our new FUZION MagSafe wallet with stand. And the first thing you'll notice, it has a stand built right into it. And what's really neat about this stand is we embedded a magnet behind the stand. So not only does it have a nice hinge on it, but it has a really satisfying closing mechanism. So that way when you put it in your pocket, it's not going to snag on your pocket. And it instantly sticks to your phone. And now you have a great stand for viewing. You can view in portrait and landscape. And if you want a really steep landscape, all you would do is pop the phone off, flip it over, and now you have a nice steep landscape. This wallet will hold up to 10 cards. We recommend 7. I carry 6 cards and 3 bills normally, and it's perfect. So how you get the cards in and out is really easy. We have a really ample, nice lead in here, chamfer. So the elastic has some nice rubber inside of it, so it has a nice smooth feel, and they're very secure when you put them in. So it'll hold 1 card, or you can put in a whole stack of cards at the same time if you want, like I got here. And it's really easy, really fast. It's all aluminum construction. The MagMax MagSafe will work on any phone that has MagSafe. So you don't necessarily need to have our case. If you want the extremely strong connection, you'll need one of our MagMax cases. But if you have a regular MagSafe enabled case, you'll get about 2 times the holding power just by using our wallet. The other fun thing about this is we decided to use all titanium screws for lighter weight. If you ever needed to replace the band, or if you wanted to really clean it really good, we include 10 screws that are inside of the screw cap. So if you've ever taken anything apart that has really tiny screws, you probably know they're pretty easy to lose, and we know that, so we include some screws for you. So that is our FUZION MagSafe wallet with stand. And it'll be available late March, early April. And please stay tuned, join our list so you can get the latest updates and be one of the first to have them. So thanks for watching.